Okay, let's see what we got here. This box just showed up, UPS standard, and this is stuff from Peru, I think. Oh yeah, lots of popcorn. Man, I was just doing my meditation when the dog started barking, and I just did a 20-minute contentment meditation using Swedish therapy, sound therapy, as the background, and oh man, it's really good. So if you guys haven't tried it, it's on my YouTube channel, and it's like a 20-minute induction with Swedish sound therapy, and really nice. It actually almost makes you fall asleep. The purpose of those types of meditations is to sit calmly in reality, which is the most powerful way to sit, right? If we're not sitting calmly in reality, then we're sitting calmly in illusions in a way. Anyways, enough of that. Let's talk about what we got here. I lost a pair of scissors, and I suspect we got thrown away with some of the wrapping. Oh. So these are nice, actually. I wonder how long they are. Oh, they're kind of they're adjustable though. So there's some of the stuff. Not enough light here. Kind of like bone. Let me get some light over here. Kind of like bone pendants, eh? They're on kind of a wax string, and they're adjustable. Pretty nice though. So that's one type. So it's the same type of thing. Kind of like pendants made of bone, I think. Pieces of polished bone. Little bits of stone in them. And they're adjustable as well. With some leather or something, looks like. Oh, so they're nice. Yeah, same thing again. So these are actual horn points, and they're like a little necklace too. A little bit of metal on them. some leather, some stone. Kind of cool. So those will be coming to the store. I think a lot of things got canceled with his order, so there's only a couple things here. But these I thought were interesting. Kind of like, I think they're supposed to be a chakra. Yeah, they're sure they are. Chakra keychain, and they're handmade. Very cool, eh? I don't know how strong that'll be. Looks like it might be okay. So those are cool. Whoops, sorry. All these beautiful keychains made of crystals with the chakras on them. And then the last one I had to buy them, I don't know are these Easter Island guys. They're a keychain. They're a handmade keychain again from Peru. I just thought they were cool looking. I thought they would be neat. So those would be coming to the store as well. I thought I bought some Orgonites. I don't usually buy Orgonites. But they had some. And okay. Now we're getting somewhere. These are supposed to be handmade. That's how you lose your scissors, by leaving them in the box. Oh man, these are nice actually. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful Orgonite. Pretty good size and really well polished. So there's one. Just unwrap a few of them here, right? There's 12 in there. And I think they're all different. Oh, maybe they're all the same. Nice. Let's keep looking here. Those two, oh no, they're different. They are different. Different crystals on the insides. Maybe they are similar. Oh no, this one's even totally different. Oh, these are going to be nice. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, so we gotta have to unwrap them all, guys. That's 3. It's gonna take a second. Then I gotta wrap them all back up to put them to the drawer. That's okay though. If you don't enjoy life, you're not enjoying life. There's another one. I'm not sure what that looks like. Definitely obsidian on the inside. I don't know what that is. That may be fuchsite, maybe. Anyways, nice. That's 4. We still got 8 left. Well, that one's got a. Oh, it's an ohm sign in it. Again, nice. They feel nice too. They feel nice. They feel kind of rubbery in a way. Yeah, those nicely finished off. Sometimes they can be rough on the outside. Nice one. Looks like a lotus leaf on the inside. So maybe some soda light in there. Something nice. So I guess that's enough of them. I won't keep unwrapping them. They got 1, 2, there's 5 more in there. anyways, we got a good selection of them, and I will take them all to the store, and we'll have them take a look at them there. Oh, this is a nice one too. It's got some sort of a red something in there. You can see the copper in there. There you got a copper wire, usually some sort of a crystal, and it's usually got some grounding crystals at the bottom. Yeah, they look pretty good, you know. Anyways, that's unwrapping, unless you guys want me to unwrap the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We might as well. They're all kind of different, eh? And oh wow, this is, yeah, you're right. Look at that one. So that one's really, really nice. And that's got the Eye of Ra in it. Yeah. Why stop here? This one. Ooh, that one's nice too. Almost looks like, I don't know what it is, purple. Maybe sunstone on the top. Hamsa hand. 3 more. Oh, Tree of Life. That's Tiger Eye for sure. Sorry. Tiger Eye for sure, eh? That was nice. That'd be Red Jasper, I would think. Yeah, they're nice, like good size, eh? 12 of them. I've never had 12 of these in my whole life. Oh, this one's beautiful too. I think I like the dark ones. All that negativity in me. Oh, this one's got a hamster hand in it too. I like this crystal. I think it's, I don't know what it is. It's beautiful though. Anyways, that's what I've got. I've got a bunch of Orgonites coming, and some horn necklaces, like bone type necklaces, and a few cool keychains, you know. I mean, I think this is a pretty cool keychain. So anyways, I will see you guys at the store, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.